Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2011 Ram 2500 LARAMIE Cummins. We're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just getting outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. Getting the angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing the videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a great idea of what you're coming in to look at. But as you can see, rear tinted windows. It's like there's some diamond plating along the bed. Backup sensors, tow pack of course. Let's get in the bed here. It's like for the gooseneck. Again, just trying to get these angles for you. I'll get down here on tire size here in just a moment. Sorry, the glare from the sun isn't helping my cause here at all. Beautiful truck. It's a big crew cab right there. All right. Fog lights. All right, let's get to the inside condition and features. Try to block out some of this glare. It does have the remote start as well. Great feature. One of my favorites, actually. Power windows, power locks. Power memory seats. Let's get the condition of the leather here. No rips, tears, or stains. Center console. Let's get the passenger seat here. Alright, let's get the back seats. Plenty of room back here, that's for sure. Rear heated seats. And then it does have the storage. These are great. Road trip. You just put ice in there, whatever. It's a nice feature. Let's get some of the features up front. Got pedal adjusters. Factory tow assist. Steering wheel controls, of course. There's the mileage there if it'll focus for me. There we go. Media center, navigation, all of that. Jake brake, factory tow assist, heated in, cooled seats. Looks like we have a heated steering wheel as well. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Get this. Alright guys, now I do say this in the videos all the time, far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can. Chances are if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for, so I just want to get in here the best I can. Now all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, so please keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale, and that's huge for us. Hit accept here. There we go, Navi. Let's just go to the map. There we go. No check engine lights, as you can see. Beautiful truck. Holy smokes. Alright, let's go back to the engine so you can hear it come along. Hopefully this helps answer some questions. You know, if there's anything we may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. Want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.